So a lot of people have been telling me, bro, sell your crypto, regulations are coming. A lot of people believe that these new crypto regulations are going to ban crypto entirely in the US. But here's my honest opinion. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let me tell you what I think these regulations will do to the crypto market. As you guys know, there's a lot of ways where you can put your stable coins such as USDC, USDT and earn amazing interest rates. I'm talking about 5, 10, all the way up to 20% APY on your stable coins. And also there's a ton of other cryptos that you can stake and earn passive income and earn amazing returns. I believe these regulations are going to eliminate these high APYs that these stable coins are paying. Also, the high staking rewards, I believe everything is going to be cut down drastically. Regular banks such as BB&T, Bank of America, JP Morgan and Chase, regular banks pay like 0.005 on their interest accounts. They cannot keep up with crypto. And you already know, guys, these big banks control absolutely everything. They're not going to step back and let crypto take over. They're going to pay these lawmakers to bring these regulations that are going to put an end to these high APYs. So I believe the majority of these regulations are going to be focused on the high APYs that different coins and different lending platforms are paying. We have already seen BlockFi get blocked. We have already seen Coinbase have their Coinbase earn completely eliminated, and a ton of other projects that have these high APYs. They're definitely paying attention to these regulations. I believe crypto is here to stay, and these regulations are simply helping out these big banks stay afloat. High APYs are going to become a thing of the past. I believe that is the future for crypto, but a complete ban is out of the question in my opinion. Crypto is here to stay. The government, in my opinion, is not going to block it. They're not going to put major restrictions. They just want control. They want their piece of the pie. So far in crypto, the regular people have been winning. But these governments, these big institutions, these banks want a bigger piece of the pie. And I believe with these regulations, they're going to get even more control and even bigger piece of the crypto pie. That is my honest opinion on these crypto regulations. I'm still investing in crypto. I'm still buying, still holding, still staking because I believe crypto has a very bright future ahead. Let me know what you think about crypto regulations in the comment section below. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.